Hello guys, welcome to my channel It is Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to uninstall and reinstall Xbox Game Bar in Windows 11. So how to do this? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all in the search box type a PowerShell, right click run as administrator. Now open a PowerShell. After that, copy the first command which is available into the video description, copy and paste it and press enter. If you are facing any error, then you can use a second command, but I have did not face any kind of error. So if you are facing that, then you can use this second command. Type the exit and close the PowerShell. Type a game bar. Now you can see that it's removed. After that, open a Microsoft Store. Search a game bar. Click on a X game bar. Click on Get. And after that, download and install in your PC. I hope this video is helpful. Now you can see that the downloading will be started. It's required of a few minutes to complete the downloading and installing. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.